And now I request our country manager, Mr. Ganapati Raman, to make the welcome address. Sir.
Good morning to you all. I'm very happy to welcome you all, as Shraddha mentioned, for the ARC Advisory Group's 23rd India Forum. Theme of the forum she already mentioned as winning in the industrial AI era. And we are very happy to be part of this in-person event and third event after COVID. Today's program is structured in such a fashion that we are able to disseminate information on technology effectively for all the end users, solution providers, decision makers in the opportunity to network and get an overall view of the market and its requirement. The agenda, I hope all of you have a copy. Please have a look at it. It has been structured in such a fashion that the topics will be relevant to all the industry segments and also for the association, system integrators and everyone. Industrial growth hinges on effective networking and collaborating. ARC forums provide the right platform and visibility to all those who are present here today. I request all of you to interact and disseminate information because this forum is all about learning and sharing. As you may be aware, long after the event is over, the media publishes articles on the forum, reaches out to a wider audience. Also, we upload all the presentations in YouTube, which goes in for circulation. To tell you, even the videos what we uploaded in 2012 onwards still goes in for circulation. So still people view the videos. Before I start, I would like to welcome and thank all our forum sponsors. Platinum, you can see that sponsors here. Platinum sponsor, OPC Foundation, and Yokogawa. Global sponsors, Siemens and Smart. Gold sponsors, Red Hat. Silver sponsors, Utunga and Ascent. We would like to thank them again. We also like to thank all our media sponsors, Chemical Industry Digest, Chemical Today, Highways Today, Industrial Automation, IED Communication, Industrial Product Finder, Technology Record, Electronic Specifier, and World of Chemicals. I also would like to thank all the speakers from the sponsors and invited speakers and their partners. Just to give a list of invited speakers on the speak. So we have speakers from Renault Nissan, NTPC, OQ Oman, FCRI, BPCL, Udaipur Cements, TCE, Ace Micromatic, KBR, Nuclear Fuel Complex, Aditya Birla, MIT, NASCOM, HP, Dr. Reddy's, ExxonMobil, Reliance, and OPF chairpersons, and also VPA session vendors like Stahl, Phoenix Contact, Utunga, and Yokogawa. So in order about nearly we are reaching around the 40 speakers for this event. So before we start the proceedings, I would like to invite the sponsors for inaugurating through eco-friendly watering of the plant. I would like to invite OPC Foundation, Mr. Samraj Bhattacharya, Head of Research, Sustainable Automation Research, Siemens India. Mr. Samraj, please. Yeah. Please welcome Mr. Samraj. And then next in the line will be from Yokogawa, Mr. Avinash Ashwanigar, Vice President, Sales and Marketing, Yokogawa India Limited. Next, Siemens, Vikas Manoria, Head Regional Product Management, Factory Automation, Digital Industries. Then we have from Smart, Luciana Botu, from Nova Smart, CIPA President. From Red Hat, Dr. Arnold, Director, Enterprise Sales for Manufacturing, Retail and Transport from Red Hat. From Ascent, Ronak Agarwal, please. Enterprise Projects and Delivery Head. And from Utunga, Mr. Dinesh Tukaram. Is he there? Yeah, thanks, Mr. Dinesh. Also, I would like to welcome my colleague from ARC Dubai, Mr. Vikram Kalkat, if he's around. Yeah, please.